Hello again, everyone. Today I got a new Thomas push along engine that I found at Walmart almost 2 weeks ago. You wanna know who that is? I'll give you a hint. Old Irons caught you after all. If you know where that line comes from, then you're right. It's Edward. Yes, this is the new All Engines Go push along Edward. I found this at Walmart almost 2 weeks ago, and I am very, very happy to have him. Not only that, but I brought another push along Edward. Yes, I got two. One to unbox in this video, and another one to either keep in the packaging or a potential custom. Either way. Hmm. Both are pretty much the same. Not sure which one to unbox. Hmm. I'll unbox this one. Sorry, the packaging. And here he is, old iron out of his box. Now let's have a look at him. This Edward is an absolutely outstanding model. The reason why I'm saying that is because they got his wheel configuration fixed. Because on the show he is depicted as a 660, or yep, I believe he was a 660. But here he's a 044 here. I'm pretty sure that's the right wheel configuration for Edward. Or was it 422? Hmm. Yeah, I'm gonna say it's 422. Yeah, here's Edward. Loving that Edward face. See the buffers aren't painted. Um, he's in the same wave as Carly, Hero, and James, I believe. Which is probably where I found him at. Is it just me? Or does it sound like a bat in here? Is it just me? Or does that sound like a bat in here? I must be hearing things. Anyways, here's Edward. Love in the face. Sadly, no buffers painted. Yeah, that's one thing I hate about these toys. When the All Engines Go merch came about, including the push-alongs, the buffers were painted. But along the way, to cut cost, they stopped doing this. That really irritates me, to be honest. I get why they stopped doing this because for cost cutting measures, but at the same time, it's annoying. I'm not the only one. Yeah, here's Edward's Tender number 2. I don't know where that sound is coming from. I really don't know, to be honest. Here's Edward's coal load, and underneath, yeah, that's the push along Edward. Now, back when the reboot came out, he along with Henry were brought in. However, in one episode, they were referred to as those trains. Yeah, that really pissed a lot of fans off, myself included. But my guess is that line was originally meant for for the other engines, not Edward and Henry. But but because they were in a rush, Edward and Henry were put in at the last minute. Let's probably explain why that line and scene in the episode was controversial. But yeah, that's it on the push along Edward. Good model, good face, good accurate wheel configuration, although the lack of detail drops it down a bit. So I give this model a 7 out of 10 or an 8 out of 10. Again, it was nice to see Edward, a push along Edward in reboot form. As a matter of fact, I consider this Edward to be a lot better than his CGI counterpart, the CGI push along Edward. If you guys know what I mean. That Edward has six wheels and instead of what you see here. So yeah, this Edward is a step up from the previous Edward. Again, I got 2 of these. One to unbox, which is this one, and the other one to keep in either in packaging or use the Edward as a potential custom. I'm not sure. But anyways, that'll do it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. And as always, have a good one.